I've been wanting to upgrade the communications in my 2012 Jeep JK for quite a while now, and I've read a lot of reviews, checked a lot of different GMRS radios out, and the one I decided on was the Midland MXT 575 with its 50-watt output. The other thing I liked about it, and probably one of the best selling features, was the fact that all the controls are built right into the microphone. That means you can hide the main unit of the radio under the seat, somewhere under the dash, in the glove box, you know, away from prying eyes where, you know, theft could be a possibility. Now, the next thing to figure out is where was I going to put the microphone, since that has all the controls for turning the radio on and off, channel and volume selections, those type of things. And what I opted for was this particular microphone mount, which fits right behind the passenger grab bar. The first thing you have to do when you go to install the grab bar microphone holder is to remove this plastic trim piece. And with that, you can use either a small flat tip screwdriver or a trim removal tool. Gently insert the screwdriver underneath the trim piece and pop it open. This will just pull right out, and you can see it's just held on with little plastic clips. Now, these look like they're little hex head screws, one on each side. Those do nothing except screw into this piece of plastic on the back of the trim piece. Now, if you take a look down inside, you're going to see that there's a bolt. There's one on each end of the grab bar that needs to be removed. Okay, now to remove those bolts, I used a 1/4-inch ratchet with a long extension and a 5/16" socket. Once you get the bolts removed, the grab bar will pull right off. Now there's two pieces to the microphone holder. Obviously this is the main piece. This is made of steel. It has a little rubber stopper there to cushion the back of the microphone. And you can see that it's angled, and this opening right here will fit right over the end of the grab bar. The second piece is this shim, and this goes over the right side of the grab bar. Now the microphone holder and the shim can only go on one way. Position the grab bar with the mic holder and the shim piece back into the dash, and then reinstall the bolts. Snug them up with your ratchet, and you're almost done. Okay, the final step to this install is to put your trim piece back up here, press it back into place till it snaps, and you're all done. There, as you can see, a very quick, easy DIY job. And the nice thing about it is the microphone holder is at an angle, so that when I place my microphone up here, I can easily see it from the driver's seat. I can make changes as far as, you know, when I'm going to scan a channel. I can change the volume control up and down, or I have access to the controls on the top for up and down channel and to power the unit on and off. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. If this gave you any help, please give me a thumbs up, and even better yet, consider becoming a subscriber. Thanks for watching.